Week 2, Step 1 reading. I'm just going to give a non-fiction model from the Zoom Encyclopedia, just showing you how to read a text and then give a recount afterwards. Okay, so I'll just show you closely what I'm reading. And it's all about earthquakes. Earthquakes. The plates of the Earth's crust are always moving, causing earth tremors along the fault lines that divide them. But if a fault is locked firmly together so it cannot slip easily, the tension builds up over many years. Eventually something snaps, causing a catastrophic earthquake like the one that devastated the busy city port of Kobe, Japan in 1995. Repair bill. The Kobe earthquake lasted just 20 seconds, but it caused more than $120 million worth of damage. It was many months before the rubble was cleared away and rebuilding began. Earthquake proof? New buildings, bridges and other structures in earthquake-prone cities are built with strong steel frames to resist collapse, but even these may fall over if the ground subsides beneath them. Total breakdown. When an earthquake hits a city, it doesn't just make buildings fall down, it brings down power lines, ruptures water and gas supply pipes, and disrupts road and railway access. This makes rescue much more difficult and often forces people to leave their houses even if they are still intact. Leaking gas pipes can also cause disastrous fires like those that swept through San Francisco after the earthquake in 1906. And as I was reading that, I was often having to scan on ahead to make sure that I knew what I was reading and that it flowed. Okay, and as a recount, I've just written myself some questions, so I'll ask the question and then I'll say the answer. So what is an earthquake? An earthquake is an earth tremor that comes from the movement of the Earth's plates. Where do tremors happen? They happen along the fault lines that divide the plates. Where did an earthquake happen on the page that I read about? Kobe, Japan, and there was another one in San Francisco. How long did the Kobe, Japan earthquake last for? 20 seconds it lasted. And what are the frames that made of in the earthquake-prone cities? And they are made of steel.